Raven. Hey, Raven. Hey, are you able to hold your breath underneath the water?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Rachel's over there. What happened?
I need to go do my mask.
Hey, so you're saying that's your... Keep going, Roman. You're not going to fall down. Oh, there it is. Show me the ones you find, okay, Rachel? What do you mean? Oh, it's still alive. Where'd it go? Put it in the water, Roman. Where'd it go, Rachel? Wow, that was cool. Practice it, Raven. I'll record you. Hey, keep the little square in the center, don't you? Keep the little square in the middle. Keep the little circle. Keep that circle in the middle.
Take a look.